Okay, this is an RPM measurement kit. Yeah, I want to use this device to measure the speed of rotation of maybe the bicycle wheel or any rotating device. Okay, so here I have the Hall magnetic sensor and also the LCD screen. Yeah. Okay. So okay, let's jump into it. Yeah. So when this sensor will detect the magnetic field, okay, as the bicycle rotates. Yeah. So let's see what happened. Yeah. Is there any sense? See that initially the reading is 0, and you see as now it detect. You see it detect the magnetic field. Okay, as the bicycle rotate, the wheel rotate, and you can see the readings there. See that? Okay. I can see the readings. Okay. So this is roughly the idea of it. Yeah. Of the measurement kit. Okay, that's all.